everybody? Welcome back. It is week 4 of cleaning, you guys. It is week 4 and I am super excited to finally, get some stuff done. Didn't get a chance to clean my kitchen on last week, but it's an ongoing thing. But I do feel like it is cleaner than what it used to be. I'm just gonna say that. But we went to IKEA yesterday and we ended up getting some of these bins. The kids wanted a bin to put whatever in there, so we got 3 of those bins. And then I ended up getting, sorry Paris, I ended up getting a bigger bin. Husband wanted to put his rice that we have, because we bought a huge bag of rice at Costco because it was cheaper to do that, and then we put it in little bags. But with that, I ended up getting some of the containers for these. These have been super nice and they fit perfectly in the cabinet. But this closet's gonna be organized. When my son got home from school, he was really excited to see that, we had snacks in containers, and they keep at it. So that my kids were excited. They can see what snacks we have. Everything stays fresh. The bags don't get ripped open. Stuff doesn't get stale. So husband enjoyed this. Kids really like it. It's really it's really organized and I absolutely love it. So that was a good thing that we did. So last week I wanted to work on my stockpile and I'm gonna do that today. So today's thing to do for the day is organize and put away my stockpile, and I'll show you guys that in a second. I also want to fold all my clothes in my closet. I've done this before where I've taken everything off my shelf and just folded it nicely. Everything's just kind of ready to fall over. So one of these days I'm going to go in my closet and just refold everything and kind of get rid of some clothes that I might not wear anymore if I didn't know I had them. So that is for one thing we're going to do. And then I'm also going to clean off my dresser in my bedroom because it's just full of clothes and stuff that shouldn't be on there. So those are my 3 things that I really want to work on this week. Still not sure what else, but I like it where I don't have a completely full schedule because then I can have room for other things. But I might have a day where I actually clean all the cabinets, like the fingerprints and stuff, so that may be another thing that I might work on this week. Also cleaning the stainless steel appliances. We got a new fridge, which is pretty good with fingerprints, and I absolutely love it. But my dishwasher has a couple things here, my stove. So that's probably what we're gonna do today, or work on this week also, is the cabinets, the stainless steel appliances, the dresser, the closet, and the stockpile, and then maybe one more thing. But let's go downstairs and I show you my stockpile. Okay, so this is the worst room of my entire house, is my basement. Number 1, because we just throw everything down here to keep everything upstairs clean. Number 2, it's just my craft area is down here. My YouTube filming area, we have a little play area. It's all just a mess, and one of these days I'm gonna work on that, and I will have to do it little by little, otherwise I get overwhelmed. But this right here is where I've been kind of working on it. I'm trying to work on a better craft area, but we don't have anything. But this is what I want to work on right here. So this is my stockpile. This is my stockpile. I don't have a spot where like some people that you watch has space for it. I have this. We have the bins. And I want to actually get these labeled, so I'm thinking of just kind of print something off and just labeling them. Like here we always put our makeup on this corner, here we always put our toothpaste on here. This is food items, and then body wash, and then shampoo. So there's kind of a spot that we have it. And so I want to print some stuff off and put that on there. So that's my goal to work on that today, and then put all my stockpile stuff away. Now this is my stockpile stuff. So as you see right here, we got some stuff already in here. And what I want to do is, usually we store this underneath our steps, but it's almost Christmas and all of our Christmas stuff is underneath our steps, right back here. right now we got tons of toilet paper and stuff, but this is where we keep our Christmas stuff, and I don't want to sit there and put all my totes. I have like six or seven, 8 totes, and some of them are super heavy. I don't want to put them underneath the steps and then have to dig them out in a month again, and then put them back and then dig them out. So we're actually, my husband has like a little room back here where we're just gonna put the totes at, so they stay out of our way for the next 3 months, just so they're out of our way. And then when Christmas is over with, then we'll put them back under there. So then it'll actually free up a lot of space. So right now my husband's home and he's gonna help me put my stockpile away, because this is something that me and him love doing together. So let's work on this. First, what we're gonna do, him and I are going to put everything away, and then when he goes to work, then I'll actually label it. So let's get working. Hey everybody, so today is day 2. I did put all my stockpile stuff away. The husband and I cleared this area pretty well. I didn't get a chance to label it, but that is okay. I still plan on doing it, but we did put a lot of stuff away. We got all the bins put away. I need to also clear my filming area. Like, it's a mess, so I think I'm gonna work on that sometime this week. But today I'm actually gonna work on laundry. I haven't done laundry in a couple days. Like, I'll do it, but then I never put it away. But I have a lot of laundry that I need to like wash and then put away. So I am just gonna spend all day doing laundry. I got like 6 loads. I'm extremely exhausted. The time change kind of messed me up. I've been waking up at like 5 in the morning because my system usually wakes at 6, and then I can't sleep and all that fun stuff. So I'm just gonna kind of get a ton of laundry done today and then kind of pick up the kitchen. That's an ever-going thing. And then I also have a lot of filming stuff I gotta film and crafts I gotta make. So today's just gonna kind of be an easy day. I just dropped my daughter off at school, but right now I'm just gonna kind of relax and have some me time, because I never have that. So it'll be nice, and I will be back doing laundry. Hello everybody, so today is day 3. I am just not feeling it today. I just want to crawl into bed and lay in bed all day long. That's all I want to do. But anyways, my kitchen is a disaster. I know I wanted to get like my bedroom and stuff done, but my kitchen is ridiculous. Because number one, my husband has something and he just lets it sit there. Just lets it sit there. It has a little bit of water in. I mean, we have very little chips left that, you know, you can be put away. So I've been trying to keep this kitchen cleaned forever. I do have to empty the dishwasher, so there is a lot of dirty dishes. I have a box set. I have a Christmas presents that I need to go put downstairs, and then I just need to clean up the countertop. But I also have to press some tumblers and mugs today, so that's why I had that out. But I'm actually going to focus on the kitchen. My table was cleared off, but then it got messy again. But I did end up getting some candles. I went to Hobby Lobby yesterday because I needed to get some candles, and they don't have any at like Walmart. But I ended up getting some of these long stick. They had like Christmas 60% off. So I just got some of these stick candles right here. For like 3 something. They were $7.99 for a 4-pack. So I thought that was cute. So I'm really gonna like festive up my kitchen table. So I got that. And then I ended up also just getting this in the mail. I posted this on my Deals by DesignerJen Facebook page, you guys. But I just got this. So I just got this. I've been wanting something like this for like crazy. So they have it where you can get it all in one, or you can get them individually. And I kind of got them individually so I can make, so in case I need some other space. But these are those like Ziploc baggie holders, and I thought this would be a great thing to have. But I am super excited to have them. But I think I paid like 12 bucks for these, for 3 little ones and then 1 big one. And then here they gave me some stickers that I can put on it too. So that's what my drawer looks like, you guys. And this is, or that's not what my drawer, but this is what like my thing looks like. And I have a ton of freezer bags. So I'm actually gonna organize my drawer. So that is what I'm gonna do today, is organize my drawer and get my kitchen clean And then I might wipe up the cabinets and the stainless steel today too. So here's another thing that I just found in the box. I found this little card and it says, congratulations on getting an Amazon gift card. 20 bucks. It says log into your account, browse your history. So they want me to basically write a review and with pictures. And then it says review with images, gift card amount will be increased by 20%. It says write a product review, which I can do. And then it says click submit and publish your review. Then it says send your order ID and review screenshot to redeem gift card, and then they gave me an email and it says wait 1 to 2 business days to get your gift card. I'm gonna try this and see if it works. I'm gonna see if that works because number one, if I can get more of these, if I need more, I'm gonna definitely get more, but then I have a deal to share with you guys. Okay, so I ended up doing it this way. One thing I wish I had more of is the freezer bags, because we use freezer bags like crazy because we're always freezing food. But otherwise, this does take a lot of space up, but I'm happy with everything being in there because I just got rid of all these little boxes. Like, I just got rid of all those boxes. So I had more boxes in here than what I need. And then I have the cling wrap, aluminum foil, and wax paper, which I did see a holder for that, which is kind of cool. So I don't know, but I do like this because then I can fit more baggies in here because I have a whole stockpile downstairs of them. But I really like this, and then I just need to, I can just put my stuff that I have over this. It's not a big deal because I mean that's just an easy move. But I ended up having way more stuff than what I thought I had, so now I know what I have, but I have this organized and I think it feels a little bit better. I might put this in downstairs of my, like I don't need, I have three aluminum foils right here. I got 2 wax papers, I got 4 cling wraps. I think I'm going to put some down in my stockpile because I don't need all 4 rolls of wraps. But otherwise, I am pretty happy with what I did. Hello everybody, so today is day 4, it is Thursday. I have been just extremely busy with my Etsy stuff. Like, I know I'm supposed to be cleaning and doing like a project a day, and I really want to, but with my Etsy stuff, it takes up a lot of my time to do it. So it is in the morning, I have to go to couponing right now, and then when I get back, I upload my video and everything. But I did do more laundry last night. Everything is completely washed, 100%. I just have to put everything away. I did put 2 loads away last night. I put 3 loads away the night before, and I have 2 loads left to be put away. So that's what I plan on working today. I am more wide awake than I was yesterday. I did say I want to work on like the kitchen. My kitchen is a never-ending thing. When you got people who don't help you and don't follow through, it's really hard to follow through. So I want to keep it this way, but it just never, I can't catch a break. I can't catch a break. But I am going to work on cleaning the kitchen today. I am going to clean the stainless steel appliances today and maybe wipe down some of the cabinets. I'm going to sweep the floor and possibly mop the floor, but I'm going to definitely sweep the floor, and then I got to vacuum my rug that I have right here. So I will show you guys that when I get home because we're going to get going soon. But that's what I am working on today.